It's been hard to sell in most Canadian markets. I read this article from Global News this past weekend and just want to discuss it. Like the article says, it's been hard to sell in most Canadian markets from Toronto through to Vancouver. And this includes Calgary as well, though you are still seeing lots of activity in the condominium market because it is affordable. So what's causing this? Look at the higher rates are squeezing a lot of people out of the market for purchasing, and some people are just looking at holding off until the rates get a little bit better. You're seeing first-time home buyers get squeezed out, and investors who can no longer make sense financially to invest with the higher rate. Also, we're headed into the holiday season. After that Remembrance Day, things tend to wind down and people start looking at Christmas season. Typically, seasonally, the amount of activity tends to decrease. However, there are still people that need to sell, and it's situational. So whether there's divorce, whether there's job relocation, whether there's job loss, or whether there's a mortgage renewal at a much higher rate than they had before, which is driving their monthly payment hundreds of dollars or even $1,000 more. These are still people that have to sell. So for those people, I would recommend, you do have to sell. Just be realistic with your price. Make sure your pricing is bang on at the beginning, and make sure that you're patient. It's going to take time. Typically, it was about with the market being fast. Over the last few years, we've become accustomed to things going over asking. I'm accustomed to things going fairly quickly. Now, it might be 30 days, it might be 60 days, it might be 90 days, especially if the home is a higher price. So, that 600,000 plus might take higher. Some sellers are, though, if you can wait, some sellers are waiting till spring when typically things will pick up in the market. And it's been said that potentially there'll be some cuts in the rates, but nobody has a crystal ball. We don't know. So if you have to sell now, just be patient and be realistic about your pricing. It's Coach Joseph coaching you through the real estate process. Bye.